y'all, Grilla Girl here again today, and we're going to do something that's very simple but very delicious. We have about a 2.5 pound piece of pork belly here. It's very popular on menus today. You'll see it even served as steaks. You'll see it served as pork belly burn-ins, or you'll just see it served in thick strips. So I'm going to cut mine in some thinner strips to manage them and season them up and let them sit for about an hour, and then I'm going to cook them up in the grilla. Pork belly may come with the rind on, as you see here, which is the skin, or you may have it where it's already off. What I purchased had it on, so I'm basically just going to use a boning knife and lifting while I peel it away. I'm going to remove this. You can save this for cracklins if you want and fry it up. It's kind of good. Or you can actually cook your pork belly with this rind on here. It just kind of has a little more chewy texture, and you have to cook it a little bit higher heat. I basically am just going to take it off. I might keep it and fry it up, but we're going to season up this pork belly and put it on the grilla, and in about 4 hours we'll be enjoying something delicious. All right, I've removed the skin. I've cut the pork belly in about 1-inch slices and then again across in the other direction, so I'd end up with some nice cubes. This should be manageable on your grate and not fall through. You can leave them much longer and leave them in strips, or you can cook them as a steak, whatever you want to do. I'm going to save this rind and fry these up and make me some pork rinds, but we don't need those right now. So this is how simple this is. Take your favorite rub, which is probably Grilla AP, and you're just going to put a heavy coat in it, put it in the refrigerator for about an hour, or until your grilla comes up to temperature to 250. If you leave the rind on it, you're probably going to cook them at 275 with the skin down to get that to get crispy. So this is how simple. I have taken my AP rub and coated with a very, very nice thick coat my pork belly pieces. I'm just going to let these sit for about an hour. They'll probably sweat a little, recoat them if they need it, and then we're going to set them on the grilla at 250. Some people argue over meat up, meat down. I put mine fat down, and I cook them and check them in about an hour, and then I just flip them about every hour, flip them. And once they get a nice kind of crisp outside, I'll glaze them with a little bit of Grilla sauce. Now my favorite is the Kongo kick. It gives a nice shine. I just put a thin coat and leave them on the Grilla about another 10 minutes and wait until you see how they look. All right, I've got the pork belly chunks on, 250 with pecan pellets. I've got mine fat down. I know there's an argument for fat up or fat down. I have never seen a difference. Okay, the pork belly's in its 3rd hour. See, they're looking good. Really getting soft. I have brushed them with a little bit of thinned out Kongo kick. You can thin it with juice, water. I think root beer and Dr. Pepper is pretty good too. And we're going to close it up. And I'm going to check them in 30 minutes. All right, our pork belly's done. Let's go have some dinner.